16th. This looks the exact same. I did clear off this space because the couch is coming in about 10 minutes. Today is dedicated to these, which are the IKEA Billy bookshelves. And as you guys know, they're white. I don't do white very well. So, painting them this green color. And let me show you the setup outside. So, this is the setup. I did absolutely none of this. Make sure you have a handy lesbian. We're just gonna do them one at a time at this point, but we're starting with sanding, then we have to prime, then we have to paint both sides for all three. And it's gonna be a good time. We're starting at 12:46. It's gonna take a second, but yeah, that is where we're at right now. And my couch just got delivered. I was freaked out because they didn't seem like they were gonna be able to get it inside, but they did. Yeah, super excited. Okay, y'all, so I found a tripod. It's not the one that I normally use for like handheld. It's pretty large, but whatever. So I'm gonna show you guys what I've gotten done so far. Today is Monday, January 24th. So it has been a little over a week since I've been moved in. And yeah, so we have the door, and coming down from the door and the steps, here are the unfinished bookshelf panels. As you can see, this one, the paint has already started to chip off, which has me really discouraged, which is why I got contact paper for the other two. Living room, still disaster. Lots of boxes on my couch, as well as some folded clean laundry. Most of these boxes here are books. So, you know, there's my work desk. Here's the remaining bookshelves that I need to paint, which I should definitely paint today. More boxes. Down here are pieces of the IKEA vanity that I'm putting together, but first I had to contact paper them. So I'm really only focusing on the parts that you can see. So here it is at the top. Of course, there's that, but I'm, you know, getting there. There's my work desk. I start working in about an hour. Kitchen's probably the most unpacked. Now, there's still some stuff that I want to do in here, but right now my main focus is just getting everything unpacked and getting everything into a place. Laundry room is basically the catch-all for like boxes that have been flattened. There's painting stuff over there. I have done a few loads of laundry and they've been perfectly fine. I like that I have a full size. And then nothing's happening in that closet. My bathroom, despite, like, ignore the towels. So ignoring the towels, also my toilet has a leak, so that's why that towel's on the floor there. I did do this shower curtain, so that's, you know, good. I have a bath mat, and then I did end up going to Home Goods. Granted, it's dirty right now, so ignore that. Got a bath mat. I got this storage setup right here. I'm not super happy with it. It still looks really cluttered. So I did get some more baskets from Home Goods today to try to see if I can finagle it. I just have so much stuff. I don't think those gray ones are working out, and I don't think these wicker ones are working out. They're just not big enough. They're not tall enough. And then under here, still, this is messy. Now, all of these cleaning supplies are going to go in that kitchen closet once I get the shelving for it. So I will have some more space to put, you know, some of this stuff. And then up here, I just have my little dispenser along with a toothbrush holder, put some Q-tips. And then the medicine cabinet is very, it's not super organized, but it will do. I have like lots of my skincare stuff, my dental stuff, my bath stuff, my body butter, and all of that. My sewing room looks the exact same as the day that I first moved in. Absolutely nothing is done. But since I already have everything for my sewing room, in my mind, this is the easiest room to set up. I just have to put up the desks and put everything into its proper place. That room doesn't need anything like bought for it or anything like that. And then we have my room. So I did put together the dresser. For as much as it was, it's kind of a piece of crap, but whatever. I'm probably gonna hang that eventually. I did my bedding, got my bedspread all together, did my clothes. My vanity is probably gonna go right here. And then once that's in there, I can go ahead and unpack my makeup. But yeah, this is what we're looking at. Let me show you my closet. So I have like this half closet situation. There's a whole nother row for things to hang on. I just haven't moved it down there yet. And then there's just kind of luggage chilling right there. So, you know. But yes, that is where I'm at right now. I have a nail appointment tomorrow and I just ripped off part of my nail. So that's fun. Love that for me. I only have a little less than an hour before I start work. I was gonna try to get some more of that desk contact papered, but I think what I really need to do is finish painting these stupid bookshelves. So I'm going to probably do a coat of that so that it can dry. And I set a goal for myself. I want to have at least one bookshelf built by Friday, and I want to have my vanity desk built by Friday as well. And then I'll kind of see what the weekend holds. But yeah, so I'm gonna go get the paint. I also need to, I went grocery shopping this weekend. I haven't washed my fruits and vegetables yet, so I need to do that. And yeah, gotta get things rolling, gotta get things moving. Okay, so I just did the first coat of the paint. So there's the two sides, and then here are all of the shelves. So this is the color that I chose. It's a dark green. Now at first I was thinking like, no, I'm just gonna do contact paper. But now I'm kind of like, you know, I really want to try. Now I'm kind of thinking I really want to try and stick with this. Yes, it's definitely taking a lot longer than I thought, and I have no idea what I'm doing when it comes to painting bookshelves. But I have like this whole can of paint. I have the primer. I think the reason the other one was peeling was because probably didn't sand it good enough. And the sandpaper that we picked was like kind of very coarse and gritty. I think we might need to use finer sandpaper to really like get in all of the, I don't know, the crevices or whatever. So I think I'm going to try to do another bookshelf this weekend. It'd be great if I could just do two, or maybe like do it throughout the week. So this is the first coat of green. It needs a second coat, and then it needs a top coat. And then I can put the pieces somewhere to like lay out and dry. And then I can start on the second bookshelf. The problem with the second bookshelf, the sanding is what takes forever, and that's the one that can't be done inside. So I don't know. And I think what I'm gonna do is I'm going to do this setup. I'm gonna set everything up in my second room, my sewing room. I'll put everything else to the side, and this will just be in the center so that I have a designated place so that it's not all in the way on the floor, you know, with the possibility of me like bumping into it or something like that. So I think once I finish these for good and I set these pieces aside, I'm gonna go ahead and set up kind of this same setup, cover the floor with cardboard boxes in my sewing room so that it's just over there and it's away and I don't have to worry about that. It is currently 12:20. I have work in 10 minutes. So I'm going to put this paint away. I'm going to rinse out the paint tray and put my roller away and kind of like package it away since I am going to be using it later. And I will keep you guys posted on what happens.
lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa.